Hey guys, doing a little short video today. This is that Hoover Convertible model 1010. I did a video recently. As you can see here, I got the whole machine torn apart on my bench. I got a whole torn apart, cleaning it up, and over here I got the brush roll all taken apart. I got to order up some new strips, new brush strips, because these are pretty worn out, as you can see. And I got it all taken apart there. I got the fan, the upper sleeve bearing, the cooling fan, the commutator, all taken apart here. And I ordered up some new carbon brushes. These are pretty worn out, as you can see. Pretty worn out right there. There's the other one. So I ordered new old stock Hoover carbon brushes for convertibles. So hopefully they come in a few days. Here's the bottom coil. Already cleaned this up. And the top, the nut for the belt, some other miscellaneous hardware. Here's the cover. This needs a good cleaning, although these are scuffs in here. I'm not sure how I could get rid of these. I don't know, maybe some plastic polish or some scratch remover. If anybody out there watching this who's taken these apart before and refurbished them, if they could tell me what they've used to get this out, if there's a way to, because that's kind of a shame. I'd hate to put it all back together and leave it that way. Here's the bottom plate. The bottom plate is in very good shape. I mean, it's pretty shiny. The Hoover cleaner makes rugs last longer. It beats as it sleeps as it cleans. We all know the famous logo. So that's that for now. Dirty in there, needs a cleaning. And the bag here, the outer bag, not too bad. There is a snap missing, but it's not a big deal. It's all there. And it's a little dirty. Maybe I could use some Vinyl X on this bag, wash it or something. But yeah, these videos are on YouTube already, how to take these apart. You know, I probably should have filmed me taking this all apart, but I didn't think of it at the time. So here it is, all torn apart, broken down. Here's the 2-speed switch. Excuse me. Oof. This is the 2-speed switch. This is, well, actually, this goes underneath the cleaner to activate that switch when you stick in the attachment converter. So here it all is, taken apart right here on the bench. It's going to get a nice cleaning. All the little bearings and shafts are going to be lubed. This is probably a 50-year-old machine or more. I know it's pre-1968. So with a little care and some patience and you know, I don't know where I'm going with this. Patience and some newer parts. This is going to run like new again. it'd probably be good for another 50 years. That's why I love the Hoover Convertible. I'm not a big upright fan, but one of the big reasons I love these cleaners is because of this. You can take every part out individually and clean and lube them. And this is my third time doing this, so it's getting pretty easy. I don't have to look up a video how to do it. I pretty much have everything memorized. So anyway, when I get the new carbon brushes and the new brush strips, I'm going to go ahead and reassemble everything and get it back together and do a follow-up video how this thing runs. Alright, so that's it for now. I hope everybody is having a good day, and we'll be seeing you soon. Bye now.